Plants can completely transform any space in your home. They add life, color, and an undeniable sense of tranquility. But there's more to plant decor than just popping a few pots in a corner. From creative displays to clever placements, let's dive into unique ways to incorporate plants into every room, making your space feel fresh, vibrant, and alive. Why plants? Before diving into specific ideas, it's important to understand why plants are such a game changer for interior decor. Plants don't just improve the look of your home, they have health benefits too. Studies show that having plants around can reduce stress, increase focus, and even purify the air. Their organic textures also bring a sense of calm, while their variety of shapes, sizes, and colors can match any style from minimalistic to bohemian. Statement plant walls for maximum impact. Instead of traditional artwork, why not create a living, breathing plant wall? Plant walls are a stunning way to make a bold statement while still feeling natural and cozy. These can be customized to any size and shape, making them versatile for every space, from expansive living rooms to smaller areas like hallways or bedrooms. If you're wondering where to start, consider using a variety of plant species with different textures and shades of green. You can even incorporate flowering plants for pops of color. The best part, there are many DIY kits available that simplify the installation of a plant wall, and they're usually designed to hold pots or pouches that make it easy to swap plants out as seasons change or your preferences evolve. For a more sophisticated look, frame your plant wall with wood or metal. This helps to make the greenery feel more intentional and visually organized rather than simply placing a chaotic tangle of plants on the wall. Hang plants in unexpected spaces. Hanging plants add dimension to a room and are especially useful if you're short on floor space. But don't just stop with the typical make-frame hangers in a corner. Think outside the box. Try hanging plants in spaces that usually go unnoticed, like above doorways, along kitchen windowsills, or suspended from bathroom ceilings. For a whimsical touch, use trailing plants like pothos or string of pearls. These draping plants have an ethereal quality that draws the eye upward and makes any room feel more lush and vibrant. To create a cohesive look, try using similar pots or hangers that match your room's aesthetic. And if you really want to take it up a notch, consider a floating shelf with several hanging plants underneath, cascading down like a waterfall of greenery. This look is both striking and serene, perfect for areas like living rooms or bedrooms where you want a calming atmosphere. Plants as art in your living room. Living rooms often serve as the centerpiece of your home where everyone gathers to relax or entertain. Instead of filling every surface with knickknacks, try replacing them with carefully curated plant arrangements. A large statement plant like a fiddle leaf fit or monstera can anchor the space and add height, making the room feel more expansive. Smaller plants like succulents or air plants can be used as accent pieces on coffee tables, bookshelves, or side tables. Place them in decorative pots or interesting containers like vintage mugs, glass terrariums, or even hanging glass orbs. Don't be afraid to mix and match your planters as long as they complement your room's overall color palette. For a creative twist, think of your plants as part of a gallery. Arrange them on shelves next to framed art or books to create a cohesive design. The interplay between nature and man-made objects creates a dynamic, visually stimulating environment that feels curated yet lived in. Transform your bedroom into a jungle sanctuary. Your bedroom should be a retreat, and nothing says tranquility like being surrounded by plants. Consider creating a lush, jungle-like atmosphere with an assortment of greenery at different levels. Start by adding taller plants like palms or rubber plants in floor pots near the windows, where they'll get plenty of natural light. On your bedside tables, use smaller plants like snake plants or peace lilies, which are known for their air-purifying qualities. Not only do these plants improve air quality, but they also add a calming, natural touch to your sleep space. You could even place a small, aromatic plant like lavender near your bed to promote relaxation and better sleep. If you're limited on floor space, make use of wall-mounted planters or even headboard planters, which can turn your bed into the ultimate plant haven. The idea is to surround yourself with greenery that makes you feel calm and grounded, perfect for unwinding at the end of the day. Kitchen herb gardens for function and style. The kitchen is an often overlooked space for plant decor, but it's actually one of the most practical places to include greenery. Consider starting an herb garden on your windowsill or countertop. Not only do herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint add freshness to your meals, but they also infuse your kitchen with earthy scents. For a more creative take, use hanging baskets or wall-mounted planters to grow your herbs vertically. You can even label them with cute tags or small chalkboards for a rustic farmhouse vibe. This not only saves counter space but also adds a beautiful touch to your kitchen decor. Don't stop at herbs. Add plants like aloe vera, which is useful for cooking burns, or spider plants to purify the air. The kitchen often becomes the heart of the home, so adding plants makes it feel even warmer and more inviting. Elevate your bathroom with moisture-loving plants. Bathrooms might not seem like the ideal place for plants, but certain species thrive in humidity, making them perfect for these often damp environments. Plants like ferns, orchids, and pothos love the extra moisture and low light that bathrooms often provide. You can place them on windowsills, hang them from the ceiling, or even